So then let me just stop with, let me give you a thing to take away. So please play with this program. This program basically, I don't know if any of you have used a Magic 8 Ball, but the Magic 8 Ball is a toy that is available in the, I've certainly seen it all over the world. You shake it and it gives you a response, right? And this program basically simulates a Magic 8 Ball. So every time you want to make a decision, you can run this program, right? And if you run this program, it says, do you want help with the decision? If I say yes, for example, is it time to stop the class? It says, yeah, the outlook is good, right? So it'll give you different responses each time you run this program. Now, this whole program, just so you understand, is implemented in a very simple way using a list. And in the list is stored all the different messages that this program has to display. Okay. And of course, like Manish said, maybe I have to stop, play with this program. Clearly, I've used a random number generator which needs explanation. So maybe we can pick up here next time. So to wind up, I want to say we encountered lists. We encountered many properties of lists, many functions that we can use on lists, and we have a few programs to try them out. Rewinding, we also covered the while loop, right? So because we covered the while loop, now you have everything you need to do the quizzes for section 3, right? So if you can focus on finishing the quizzes for session 3, and then Manish, we will extend the time for the quizzes for session 4, yeah, a little bit?
Right, yes.
So I can cover the other data structures in session 4 next weekend and also start session 5. So just to say that the quizzes for session 4, you'll get more time. I do want to say that I'm eager to finish session 4 because you will start seeing some very powerful programs available for you to write soon. I also want to say that I have created at the end of our course, and this is something I hope all of you will explore. I have created some interesting programming challenges because you're all capable now of writing interesting programs, okay? So I have given you some programming challenges to solve different problems. So please explore. In many cases, I've given you the solutions. If you need to look at solutions, do not look at the solutions first. Challenge yourself to try and write these programs. I've taken a lot of time to write these challenges so that they are interesting. So please go ahead and explore, make it part of your practice. But I'm going to wind up. So that's what I wanted to cover for today. I will look at chat and also answer any questions. Manish, can you open up for questions?
Yeah, I think we can take one question from Subhash. He's having some problem. You can share your screen,
Yes,
Subhash.
yes, Subhash. Okay, so let me stop my screen share.
Yes.
Yeah.
Subhash, you can quickly share your screen and we can take a look what's the problem you're having.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, that program is not in my machine right now at my home.
Okay.
This is at my office workplace.
Okay, sure. Can you describe it?
Actually, that is a simple program. I have downloaded it from GitHub.
Yes.
Since I am from an airline industry.
Yes.
I have just got a program from GitHub that gives me a fair list of two destination, origin to destination, and it gives me a list of the competitors' fares.
Okay.
So I just wanted to utilize it from my office so that it could be useful for my revenue management team.
Wonderful, wonderful. Do me the following. No? Can you mail me either a link to the list or
definitely.
Yeah. And if you wrote a program, you can also include that program, and I can debug it for you, and we can exchange an email on it.
Sure.
Yeah. I encourage all of you to do that. Right. Slowly now you start to have the tools to explore some interesting stuff. So please go ahead. That's excellent, Subhash. Keep it up.
Thanks a lot.
Anyone else? Questions, comments? Cassandra, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Yes, seems to be moving much faster.
Yes, it's going to get faster, but you're getting more powerful. Yes.
Yes, it's incredible. All the things you can do.
Yes. Hopefully, I'm sharing that excitement, right? That we can start to do stuff, and the emphasis is more from managing the details to how do we think about things. Yeah. So that's the new muscle for all of us.
Yeah. and figuring out how to get comfortable with the language. Like I still feel I could follow some of the things, but I wouldn't know how to, write them myself.
Yes. Yes, and all I would say to you and to everyone is be patient with yourself, right? You're not going slow. It takes a little bit of time. It's different, right? It's not the normal way we operate. So just be patient. It's okay. It will come.
Thank you.
Let me ask Anand. Anand, do you have any comment like what you're looking to learn from this course?
Nothing specific. I think I'm interacting with some kind of programming after a very long time.
Yes.
Conceptually, things looks easy, but I need to do some practice on my own. So as far as understanding is concerned, I'm quite comfortable with the pace and everything.
Good. And you feel that my explanations connect with you, Anand? You get enough?
Yes, sure, yes. In fact, I'm interacting with any kind of programming after more than 15 years.
Wonderful. I'm glad. I want to encourage everybody who's doing that kind of thing to do it, right? It's great. It's never too late to learn and pick up new stuff and refresh if you have learned in the past. So keep it up. And like I said, if there's any challenges, they will fade away soon, right? So just stick with it.
And that's, as always, John is always available with, like, you can send one email or you can set up one-to-one meeting with John. He's more than...
If you need, I'm always there. I want all of you to be successful, yes? So whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to. And I also want to develop this culture for all of you to just ask questions and discuss. Dialogue is the best way to learn, right? Talking about it, even things that you've understood, talking about it always helps. How is Rabinder doing in Dubai?
I don't see Rabin's like microphone on, so I'm...
Okay, so maybe he's not on an audio device. Okay,
yes.
Yeah, last time also he had problem with audio. Yeah.
Yes.
What about anyone else?
Ask Malika if she's doing anything. Let's
Malika, how are you doing, Malika?
Malika, are you there?
I don't think she's there.
I think after class she's there. Yeah.
Okay. I think it's a good time to wind up. But yes. I just want to wind up by encouraging all of you. It's a wonderful thing you're doing to try to learn stuff and improve yourself. And of course, as I've said many times, there will be challenges, but we have to overcome them, right? And I'm here to help you. And just reach out. Please develop this skill of asking and interacting and engaging, right? You'll get more the more questions you ask and the more interactions you have. So don't hesitate. There are no wrong questions or wrong comments. We will manage all of them.
John?
Yeah.
This is Subhash this side.
Yes, hi.
Tamil pesalama?
Oh, Tamil pesalame.
ஒரே ஒரு சின்ன ஆக்சுவலி என்னன்னா என் டீம்ல வந்து எல்லாருமே வந்து ஒரு 4 பேர் இருக்காங்க என் டீம்ல. எல்லாரும் வந்து ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க which is really very useful for my organization.
Okay.
பட் எனக்கு என்னன்னா நான் ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் பத்தி பேசணும் இல்லையா உங்ககிட்ட இப்ப. அந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து நான் இப்ப வந்து ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷன் கொடுத்துட்டேன்னா அது வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்.
Yes.
So I am very keen to implement that solution.
Yes.
அது வந்து yeah.
Yes, so don't hesitate. Anyone wants to implement anything, first make an attempt. So here's
what was the question, John?
Yeah. So let me just translate all the Tamil. So I think sorry. I've never done translations like that in my life. No, but I think the question was, there are some very important programs they want to write that can be very useful in their company. And I was going to answer and respond essentially by saying, I encourage all of you to write programs and even useful ones, specifically useful ones. But the important steps are the following. First step to writing any program is defining it carefully and precisely, right? So it's not writing code. It's saying, this is what I want to achieve. I want to take this input. I want to calculate this thing. I want to make this output, etc. Once you have the problem definition, try to solve that problem yourself. And if you get stuck or you have any problem, send me the problem definition and your attempts. And of course, like Manish said, I can even set up a one-on-one session with you. We can share screen and I can help you. Okay. And you're going to find a lot of stuff in the upcoming quizzes that are very, very robust programs, right? They will be useful, practical programs for managing data, managing lists of information like prices and routes and all for airlines or various things. So very soon you will find much more tools coming your way as well. But in the meantime, don't hesitate. Just send me an email. I'll follow up.
Sure.
I love that. I haven't heard Tamil in a long time, so that's great.
Thank you.
Okay, with that, shall we end the class, John?
I think we should end. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to all of you next week. Please keep practicing, writing, sending emails, etc. Thank you.